This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to teach you guys about how to crack WP, WPA and WPA2 Wi-Fi password through capturing the handset of the Wi-Fi network. So before moving forward with the video, let me tell you guys about some of the prerequisites that we'll be needing. First of all, you will need a Wi-Fi card or a dongle, you may say, that has monitor mode. And what is monitor mode, you may say? It's a mode that enables you to view other people's packets on the internet. So your Wi-Fi adapter inside of your laptop will likely only have manage mode and not the monitor mode. So you will need a USB dongle that has monitor mode. Alright, now you have the required hardware. Let's talk about some of the CLI tools that we will be needing. So we need a tool set called AirCrackNZ, and let me show you guys that I have it installed on my system. So I can do sudo pacman, which stands for package manager, ss aircracknz. So yeah, I have it installed on my system, so go ahead and install it for your system too. And if you are on Kali Linux, then this will already be installed for you, so you don't have to worry about even a single thing. So it basically installed to your root dictionary inside of a binary. So you can search for aircrack and Z, and you can see that it's installed here, right here. And it will also install all the required tools such as AirPlay, AirDump, and etc. Okay, I mean, now you have the required tools. We can move forward with the video. So now you have a Wi-Fi dongle connected. You can just do iwdev so that you can find the interface name of your Wi-Fi card and also the type. So for now, the type is managed, so you actually have to put it in monitor mode. So for that, what you have to do is sudo and airmon nz and start WLP14S0U3. Okay. So you can see that these two processes are interfering with the process, so we have to kill them. So for that, what you can do is just put in check kill. Okay, now you can use the same command to put this into monitor mode, and if you do iwdev right now, you can see that it's in monitor mode. Okay, and instead of iwdev, you can also do iwconfig. All right, it's the same thing. So you can see that it's in monitor mode. All right, after it's in monitor mode, you have to scan the network around you. So for that, what you can do is sudo arrow dump nz and the name of your interface. So to get the name of your interface, you can do iwdev. So you can see that it's WLP1400. So I will copy this, paste it here. So you can see that I'm not seeing any BSSID over here. That's because sometimes what happens is that it will not show any BSSID. So if this case is happening with you, what you have to do is you just basically have to remove your network adapter and plug it back in. All right, I just did that. Let's wait for a few moments so that the dongle can initialize for a bit. So now let's just put in the same command. Okay, and right now we can see so many Wi-Fi. Okay, let's just quit this process because we actually got the Wi-Fi that we are looking for. We'll hack this router. All right, I'll just a router. We'll hack this. All right, so we need to have the BSSID of this router. So what we have to do now is, since we have got the BSSID of this router, we will specifically look into this router. Furthermore, all right, we will only look at this router. Okay, we don't have to look at all of this other router. We will only look at this router specifically. Okay, so for that, what we have to do is sudo arrow dump nz and C, which stands for channel. So just look at the channel over here. It's 11, right? So we have to put in 11, and W, which stands for word file. Okay, so what you want to save it is, I will save it as Alice. Okay, after this you have to put the BSSID. For putting BSSID, you have to do /D. D stands for BSSID. Then you have to put in the BSSID. All right, so copy this BSSID. Where is it? Okay, here. All right, copy this BSSID and paste it. Now you need the interface name, so for that I will again do iwdev. Just copy this thing and paste it here. Okay, all right, so now if we run this, it will create files here in the home dictionary. Because we are in the home dictionary, it will create file here. So okay, let's just run this. So as you can see, it created several files. Okay, now we need to capture the 4-way handshake. So for that, our device needs to reconnect with this network. So as you can see, For this network, only one device is connected. So we need to make it happen such that this device disconnects and connects again, so that we can capture the handshake, four-way handshake. So for that, we will be doing a de-authentication attack, also known as DOS attack. Okay, just open a new terminal. So you just have to do sudo airplay ng and DEAUTS, which stands for de-authentication. Let's do this 10 times. Okay, if we put it 0 here, it will do it unlimited time. Okay, we don't want to DOS the entire network, so we do 10. Okay, then we do A and we put the basis ID. So let's copy the basis ID from here. Okay, and put it here. Now you have to paste the name of your Wi-Fi interface card. So I will just paste it here and then press enter. Okay, now it will launch the authentication attack to this entire network, and your device in this network will get disconnected. So after this device reconnects, you will capture a four-way handshake. Okay, we have gotten the handshake here. All right, now we can stop this attack gracefully. Now we have our handshake, and this file is very important. Now we have this file. Now we will find the password with the help of USSID. Okay, what this will do is it will just take a number of common password, and extract the USSID from there, and just try to match it with the handshake we got earlier. So for that, we do sudo air crack ng and put in the name of the file, which will be this one, and the text file. Text file is basically a thing where you can find millions of lines of commonly used passwords. So okay, I will just press enter, and okay, now let's see how much time will it take. Okay, yay, we got the password. All right, happy hacking. Goodbye.